Truck Delivery Express. And I'll tell you what. For those of you who don't live in Florida, let me assure you, it's hot as hell out here. Summer came back with a freaking vengeance on us, man. Today's supposed to be 101. I know. Why would you stay there, right? Because it beats snow and ice big time. So, I was going to go live last night and do a few things, but heat was on. Oh, fuck. Heat was on, and, you know, I can't compete against PTP. Nobody can. The man's a god on YouTube. So, I'm thinking about doing it tonight. I'm not really sure. I'm thinking about doing it tonight. Probably going to be about 7 o'clock Eastern time. Let's do a quick live there, talk to everybody, see what's going on. I haven't done it in a while, in some time, so it ought to be interesting. Oh, hang on. Bumps, bumps, bumps. All right. Well, damn, that's all I got to do is drop this. This is like freaking $6,000 worth of equipment I have on this thing. And I'm running it down the road. Isn't that something? Amazing. And then I got to take it to this bumpy ass freaking parking lot. But, hey, beats being unemployed. You know? I have to admit, it's a pretty good job. It's really not that bad. Alright, well, hopefully I'll see you guys tonight. Like I said, about 7 o'clock Eastern time. I should be out there. If I decide to do it. I'm not really sure yet. So, alright, I am where I have to be. Alright, I'll talk to you. Well, that was a quick delivery. For those stop and drops. I like a lot. Those are nice and easy. Now I get to go balls out and do 12 miles an hour. That's the guy just delivered to me. He's kind of an ass. What are you going to do? He pays my salary in a roundabout way. He's also one of our, not quite $1 million customer, but he's probably right up there about, how you doing? Our UPS guy. Here, I'll show you. Nothing? Yeah, UPS dude. Nice guy. He's got nothing for us, which is really unusual, because usually he has something for us. Coming in here. See you later, brother. Nice guy. So again, if you guys want to, tonight, probably going to be 7 o'clock Eastern. I will see you guys there. I'm back at the other shop now. I gotta go. Bye.